bring water and singing from blood. Made from the bottom, now we see I'm soda. And now my class support is what I'm on. Tell me to change up the wall or I come. Switching out to my phone, I'll never come. But if my name is a so tap and bump. Swear, but I can't get it down fake. I don't really get game, but you should last. I see I'm talking about you, see I'm talking. But when it comes to the center, the center of the floor. Man, I'm too left, man, I lay something door. Got a bunch of ways out of what I'm looking for. Now it's me, when it wants to fucking take a little piece of shit with it. Thank you so much for getting it. Alright, that was our request time. I'm gonna give you a last song for tonight.
Last song. Ano yung last song? Translate.
Jeshua Manda Shewi Shoga. Last song.
Here's our last song for you.
It's been a long time without you. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. Come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Damn, we're near all the places we flew. Things we've been through that I've been standing right here, talking to you about a little pen. I know the looks you hit the won't laugh, but something told me that it won't laugh. And I saw it show you can see different, see the bigger picture. Those wonder these how I will forever face. Now I see you in a better place. How could we not talk about family with families that all we got? Everything I went to you was standing there by my side. It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. Come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. This feeling strong into a small to touch it, difference and turn into one in the ball. Never been broken, the love when they get lost. And with brother it comes first in the line, we'll never cross it. It's heaven to honor, open the line until we don't have the line. So once a picture, so remember when it's gone. How could we not talk about family with families that all we got? Everything I went through you was something that I was like. So that's all I got to win. Yeah. Oh, let's go. Another opportunity will always lead you. It's been a long day without you. Joanna.